Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jeff Goodwin. Forex, trading for beginners, changing lives. Today, I want to introduce to you, that's right, you, a fantastic opportunity to take part in a 5-day workshop. Okay, the 5-day workshop is in the form of a bootcamp style where you come in at the start of the week and at the end of the week, you have so much information. Now, I have a question for you. A question for you. Because people say to me, Jeff, is it for me? So I'll tell you what it is and what it's not. So give me 1 minute, I'll share my screen. Just need 10 seconds to set up. Just need 10 seconds. Here we go, here we go. Check my notes. All right, all right. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. For those people out there that are looking for an opportunity as a trader, we specialize in Forex trading, taking people with absolutely no knowledge in one hand, that's right, and moving them over to having successful knowledge that can trade successfully. We also help people that have already traded previously and they just can't manage to have profit. So what we do is in our 5-day workshop, bootcamp style, what we do, we strip all the bad habits, if you like it, away. We start from the basics and build up nicely from the very beginning, from the trading platform, from a simple strategy to a bit more advanced strategy. So what do you get right now? So we introduce you, just so you know, we introduce you to the very beginning. As an overview of what we're doing, we show you a very simple, easy strategy. We show you the platform, which is the simplest, and I promise you, I'll personally show you how easy it is to do this. It's not just me, we have many traders in our system, really many, using the Ninja trading system. Okay, now with this, so you know, starting from the very beginning, once you've evolved through the basics, we then start teaching you how the banks trade. And when you understand how the banks trade and you can trade in a similar style as them, you'll notice the profits become just so much easier. That's right. You know why? Because rather than the banks taking advantage of you, you're trading like the banks. Very smart, yes? Next thing, for those people that may be curious about crypto. That's right, we teach you how to trade crypto. And to top it off, we may, I don't know, we have a new, we'll have to double check, we have a new trader with us just a few short weeks, and he's absolutely crushing it right now with a brand new strategy we've just brought in. And it's making life seem so simple. He's absolutely crushing it. And I'll see if I can hold that for a bonus for you. Let me see what I can do. Now, the other thing I want to say to you is this. Now, what is it not? It's a business with trading where there's no selling involved. There's absolutely no selling. It's just you, but you're not alone, because you have a trading group support to back you up. What else do you have? You don't need to employ any staff. There's no recruiting, absolutely no recruiting involved. Some people think everything online is about recruiting. No, it's with trading. You don't need staff, no recruiting, you don't need selling. What else do you get? You've absolutely nothing to sell. The opportunity is real. You don't even need an office. Let's just go. Let's make this happen. You can do this. What else, ladies and gentlemen? It starts next week. I forgot that. It starts on Monday. Monday. It's waiting for you. 2 workshops a day. What we've condensed is, we've condensed small 30 and 40-minute segments just to keep it nice and easy to learn. You can do this. I know you can. Nice and easy. 30, 40-minute segments. Now, what else do you get? Okay. Yes, you will learn about the support, the group, the way the mentoring process goes. It's really incredible. It really is incredible. And if you're watching this, will it be on YouTube, Facebook, or somewhere else, just reach out to me. Or reach out to the person that introduced this video to you. Just say, how can I get involved in this? It all looks fantastic. But one other thing I have to say to you, before we go any further, sitting on the fence is nothing, but this is 100% free. 5-day workshop and a boot style camp style, 30 to 40-minute segments, 2 a day. Building you up from nothing, and taking off bad habits, build you up nicely. So at the end of the week, you have a choice. It's a bit like, do I take the red pill or do I take the blue pill? Do I want to go back to the way life used to be? Or do I want to take the new opportunity that life is bringing? The new opportunities, not just to be successful trading and making an increased monthly income, new friends, new support group, new everything. It's a way to just to let go of the fears from the past. It's a way of just saying, best way to say it is just getting what you deserve. There was a time, I have to be honest, I used to manage 2 hotels. And when COVID hit, guess what happened? 1 year ago, I had nothing. It was sink or swim for me. Fortunately enough, I came across this trading group where we learned together, we trade together, and we absolutely win together. That's a given. For me, it was sink or swim. I had no choice. So I had to make this happen. And unless you have a big why, whether it be for your family, spend more time with your family, unless you have a big why of you're planning for a retirement, unless you have a why of you know you deserve more things in life, I have to be honest, you won't be successful. That sounds terrible, but unless you have that why, the drive, because you know why? I'll be honest, you have to study. If you can give me half an hour, a few times a week, I'll show you how you can be successful. Or the person that showed you this video, they can show you how to be successful. Well, just a reminder, what you get, Monday next week, 2 workshops a day in a bootcamp style. You'll learn from the ground up what is Forex. You learn about the trading platform. You know about the tools. Easy to learn strategies. Learn about how the banks move the money. Trading like the banks. And for the people really curious about crypto, you'll learn that too. Now, before I go, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for your time. Some people say I can't speak too much, I have to be honest. But I do want to thank you. This is a real opportunity. Success awaits. But you have to want it. The workshop is free, the bootcamp is free. But after that, I'm going to be completely honest. It's $6 a day, which is less than a Starbucks. $174 a month. If you can afford this, we can help you achieve those dreams you wanted. Break out of the shackles. Change your life. There's a ninja trading system. That's exactly what we do. Thank you. God bless. Wherever you are around the world, thinking of you. And I'll see you, guess what? At the top. Bye for now.